Why are motorcycle helmets shaped like this? Have you ever noticed that almost every motorcycle helmet has a similar shape? They're smooth, rounded, and kind of look like a giant egg. But why? Why not make them square, perfectly spherical, or even more stylish? The answer is a combination of physics, safety, and engineering. Let's find out. When engineers design a helmet, their number one priority isn't aerodynamics. It's protecting your head during a crash. Imagine dropping a glass cube onto the ground. Now imagine dropping a smooth stone. The cube's sharp corners concentrate stress and are more likely to crack. The smooth stone spreads forces more evenly. Motorcycle helmets work in a similar way. Their curved outer shell helps distribute impact forces across a larger area, reducing the force concentrated at any single point. But that's only part of the story. During a crash, a rider doesn't just hit the ground. They often slide across the road. If a helmet had sharp edges or corners, it could catch on the pavement. That sudden snag could violently twist the rider's neck. A smooth helmet is designed to slide instead of grab. This helps reduce dangerous rotational forces acting on the head and neck. Now let's talk about something riders notice every day: wind. At highway speeds, air resistance becomes significant. A streamlined helmet allows air to flow smoothly around it, reducing drag and minimizing turbulence. This means less strain on your neck, less wind noise, and a more comfortable ride. In fact, helmet manufacturers spend a lot of time testing designs in wind tunnels and computer simulations to improve airflow. You may have also noticed that full face helmets have a pronounced chin section. That's not just for appearance. The chin bar protects one of the most vulnerable parts of the face during an accident. It also creates space for breathing, ventilation, and visor mechanisms. Speaking of ventilation, those vents aren't there just to keep you cool. They carefully direct airflow through the helmet, helping remove heat and reduce visor fogging while riding. So the next time you put on a motorcycle helmet, remember this: its shape isn't an accident. Every curve, vent, and contour exists for a reason: to manage impact forces, to slide safely during a crash, to improve airflow, and ultimately to help protect your life. What looks like a simple shell is actually decades of engineering packed into one of the most important pieces of safety equipment you'll ever wear.